Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to unbox this APFEN Type-C to Lightning data cable or charging cable. It can be used for iPhone, iPad and iPod. The company is APFEN and there is a scan with Amazon shopping app for claiming warranty, reviewing the item. The company is APFEN, as you can see on the sides. On the back there is no APFEN logo, but on the both sides there is APFEN logo, and on the back there is details for warranty activation to scan the QR code or message in WhatsApp. And let me unbox this one. So we can simply unbox this by on the top side. We can open it in the top side like this. So I bought this for a discounted price of rupees 273. The original iPhone cable cost more than 1000. So this is cost only 273. So there is a warranty card here. So for scanning and registering the warranty, you can do this. And there is another on the back side of this card. There is for customer support for reviewing the product and sending the screenshot of the product for claiming the warranty, for claiming the extended warranty of 6 months. And as you can see, this is the cable. The cable is wounded neatly, so we can open it. We can open the edges. One end is type C and another end is lightning, and we can use this for old iPhones. That means iPhone before iPhone 14, up to iPhone 14 they had lightning cable, and after iPhone 14 and from iPhone 15 onwards they had type C ports for on iPhone. So up to iPhone 14 we can use this lightning to type C cables. So this is very fast charging cable and very fast data transfer can be obtained. So it's long cable. We can see it's not as much long as the original iPhone cable, but it is still long. So I have extended the cable. Now let's connect it with my MacBook. So actually MacBook have two type C ports, so let's connect it with it. So we can see here I am connecting the type C end of the MacBook, type C port of the MacBook with the type C end of this data cable. So this is the lightning end. It won't be cannot be connected. So let me connect the type C end of the data cable or charging cable, and the lightning end have to connect it to the iPhone, but my iPhone is currently used for taking this video, so I cannot connect it. So this is the data cable. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.